Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build an online coaching program. The platform that we'll be using is Kajabi. With Kajabi, you'll be able to get started for completely free as they offer a 14-day free trial period. All you'll need to do is go onto kajabi.com. Once on the website, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to tap right where you see Start for Free. From there, you'll be led to a new page on which you'll need to enter your email address and some basic information. Once you are signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap right where you see Products. After you have tapped on Products, you'll be redirected to a new page. And right where you see Coaching, you are going to tap on Coaching. As remember, we want to create an online coaching program. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Get Started. After tapping on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page. And you have two different program lengths, as you can see right here. You have a single session, so you'll create a standalone coaching session. Or you could choose to build a package, build a program with multiple coaching sessions. So it all depends which one of these options you like to use. For this example, I'll select single session. So after I've done that, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to enter a title. So let's say, for example, test. Then from there, you could enter your name. After you have entered your name, you could add description. Then you'll tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, from here you'll choose the location, whether you want to use a built-in live video or you would like to select custom. After you have selected custom, from there you could enter the location that you want. So let's say, for example, you want to use another platform, for example Zoom or any other platform that will allow you to do live videos. You could choose that platform right there and you'll be able to incorporate it by putting the video link right there. So for this example, I'll be using the built-in live video on Kajabi. So I'll leave that as is. Then you'll select session duration. So you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, and it goes up. So it all depends. For this example, I'll select 15 minutes, then tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can choose the primary colors that you would like to use that will be applied to buttons and icons. So you can tap in the box right there, and I'll select blue, for example, and you can see a preview of how it looks on the right hand corner right here. Then you can select the secondary color that you would like to use. I'll select this color. Then from here you could upload an image. I'm going to select a random image, so let me do that by tapping on upload an image, then tap on my device. Once you have done that, you could select the image that you would like to use for your coaching program cover. So I'll select this image just for example's sake, then tap on save. So let me tap on save real quick. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on upload file. And once it has been compressed, the image will be uploaded, as you can see right there. After it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now is scroll down. Then you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can choose whether you would like to create a free coaching program or you would like to create a paid coaching program. If you would like to create a paid coaching program, you are going to also need to tap on connect a payment provider. And by doing this, you'll be able to offer Stripe or PayPal as payment options to your customers. So you need to tap on connect a payment provider and you will simply enter your Stripe account information or your PayPal account information. For this example, I'm going to leave it on free. Then I'm going to tap on save and finish. After I have tapped on save and finish, just give it a few seconds as it has been uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you can see right there, tests, and you can see the clients. So all we'll need to do now, we can tap right where you see session templates. So I'm going to tap right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down and then you'll see list. Scroll down real quick. Then you can see list all items you plan to cover. And I'll tap on add item right there. So let's say, for example, I'm offering a coaching program on how to use YouTube. So I'll type in how to use YouTube. Then I'll tap on add. Once that has been added, from there, if you like to add resources, you can do that. So when you tap on add resource, you can choose whether you like to add a file, or you could tap on link, and you could add a link, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. And once these changes have been saved, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on settings right here. If you would like to make any other editing options, you could tap on settings, be able to edit the title, and you can also edit the program description if you want. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like to make any changes, you can make the changes right here. And if you would like to create an upsell, you can do that by show upsell button. You could toggle that on right there. And once everything is there, like in all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on dashboard in the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on dashboard and you're on the main dashboard, from here you could scroll down and you will see the option brand your experience. By tapping on that, you'll be able to customize your checkout page. So you'll tap on customize checkout. After you have tapped on customize checkout, you can see the different menu options on the left hand column right here. So for example, if you would like to change the background color, or if you would like to add different fields, and by different fields I mean just like how you see right here, it is only asking for the email address. If you would like to request something more than the email address, for example the person's name, you could tap on collect name. Or if you would like to collect address or phone number, you could do that. Or if you would like to add a custom field, you could tap on add custom field. And let's go back real quick. And also you can change the design, as I was saying, by tapping on design. You can change the background color. You can also change the action button text by tapping right there. And if you would like to add an image for the background, you could do that by tapping on pick file right there. Or if you'd like to upload your logo, you could tap on logo. Let's go back. And again, if you'd like to add anything else, you could tap on additional settings. And then from there, you could add anything you want, and you could also edit the footer section. As you can see, there are numerous editing options provided. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on save. And once you have tapped on save, let me do that real quick. From here, you could go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on preview to preview how it looks. Once everything is okay, you're going to tap on the Kajabi logo in the top left hand corner and you'll be redirected to this page. Now to share your coaching program link, all you'll need to do is tap on get link. Once you have tapped on get link, you have now copied your coaching program link. So all you'll need to do now, you could share it on social media or any platform that you want to promote or advertise your coaching program on. And by the way, with Kajabi, while they do offer a 14-day free trial period, after the 14 days, there are 3 different plans that you can sign up to. They offer the basic plan for $149, which will give you the features of 0% transaction fee. You'll also be able to create 3 products. So for example, you could create 3 different coaching programs, or you could create a coaching program, and you could also create another program if you want. And they also offer 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails. But if you'd like to go up to the $199 plan, which is the growth plan, with that you'll be able to create up to 15 products. That's a lot. And you can add up to 25,000 contacts. And the beautiful thing about this plan is it allows you to also create an affiliate program. By creating an affiliate program, you'll be able to get other persons to promote your products and give them a small commission. So with this, you'll be able to get even more persons to sign up to your coaching program. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.